We're videoing.
We're videoing. Okay, guys, I got this paintbrush. Beautiful paintbrush. I got JB Weld glue that you mix together that's rated for like 550
PSI.
temperatures. American temperatures, not British temperatures. American temperatures, so Fahrenheit.
It doesn't work with Celsius.
Yeah, it doesn't work with Celsius. You mix them together, you stir it all up, you go and put it on your head gasket that's leaking. That's exactly what it was made for, actually.
Yeah, it says JB Weld stands for Head Gasket Material Fixing Items.
It stands for... It's Michelangelo, and I like painting. And I like my truck to leak head gasket.
No, you don't.
I don't, so I'm gonna go paint my truck.
Yay, John.
That's what has to be glued.
Okay, so John is gluing his head gasket with JB Weld. How much was that JB Weld? Like 15 bucks or 10 or 5 or what?
7.
7. So for $7 you can fix your engine too. That's why you drive a Ford. Bro, this thing and this pulley, bro. What's with infinities and pulleys when you rev them?
Bolted on. Oh my god.
Hey, John, your Ford didn't blow up when you rev it, now did it?
No, never.
So yeah, basically we're in the truck going to AutoZone.
Basically, we just
glued the head gasket with JB Weld like 2 hours ago.
There we go.
It said 4 to 6 hour wait time. I'm impatient.
That thing sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
We're on the way to AutoZone to get a belt for your car that exploded.
Too many red lines.
Yeah, don't apparently rev your car too much or your belt flies off. I feel like we're on Fast and Furious right now. So we're putting a belt back on this car. He's putting a headliner on his truck. And then I got a random shift knob because I was bored at AutoZone and I found one. Putting the shift knob on the S10 carbon fiber. Literally right there. Well, except, you know, we gotta get this thing to make it about this long, but I think it looks pretty sick.
Unscrew it. No, it looks fine. Quit doing everything so right.
I mean, it looks better. This definitely doesn't like freaking bend, but you know, it looks cooler. So.
Oh, and here's part of my belt.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. So this side is stuck on here because there's no tensioner, and
That's sweet.
I can't untension the belt if there's no tensioner.
Nissan Engineering 2.0.
Yeah.
See, if I just do something dumb enough, then if I do dumber stuff than the original.
No, it's not spinning.
If I do something dumber than the OG dumb, then y'all have to cut it out of the video. So then I can't look dumb in the video. Well, I probably will look dumb. But like, I can't look as dumb if I do dumber stuff and then dumb. You know?
No.
Hashtag Biden.
Why do they make this so hard?
The belt is at the bottom, or the belt tensioners are at the bottom of this thing because it has this emblem on the front.
Fix this.
Here, I'll heat it up. Wait, let me heat it up.
Okay.
There we go. I think we got it hot enough, and then you just hit it with it.
So if you ever see an F-150 with 2 of these on it, just take them off because I need them. I only have 2. Need 2 more. So just go like, it doesn't matter if they're black or not. I can spray paint them. Like, I still have leftover spray paint in the glove box. But yeah. You ready to get them back?
Yeah, buddy. You're gonna chop your freaking hands off. So now we got head whiner into F-150.
Because who needs oil when you can straight pipe it and put an American flag headliner?
That's what I'm saying. Like, instead of fixing issues, we
Create
awesomeness. Yeah.
beauty.
America.
America, baby.
All right, tell us about the exhaust setup, sir.
So basically what we got going on here is an exhaust valve with an open and a close. So this is with it closed.
No, but what's cut out? Your cats?
I cut out
Just your
the
mufflers?
mufflers and the resonators.
Alright.
And so the valve is behind the cats.
All right, so just cats.
This is the normal exhaust. I'll rev it up to about 3,000 RPMs. This is with it open. I can close it whenever I want, and it'll be quiet.
Nice. So now Now you can run from cops.
Yes, sir.
So what have you done to your exhaust?
So right out past the cats, there's 4 cats. Then there's this muffler. I took out the muffler. Haven't done the cat delete yet because that's illegal, and I would never do something illegal. And illegal stuff is bad. Kids don't do stuff illegal. Anyway, so yeah. And I can't rev this up very high because it will lose all oil pressure because JB.
I just rev it.
Okay.
My car sounds way better.
I don't know about that.
And I can make it quiet so I can run through the cops.
That's true.
Yeah.
We don't want to hear a Ford anymore. I don't know. It's just making noises now. Okay, it's an Infinity. Yes.